today I'm going to introduce to you one of my signature facials, which is the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Pro Hydra Pro Plus Advanced Mask and Serum. So this is a fantastic facial which has special hyaluronic acid, it has provitamin B5, it has rose and other essential oils that are really good for the skin, and it's all made with aloe vera gel. You will find that this is a fantastic mask which really helps to hydrate your skin. Apart from that, it helps to minimize wrinkles, brighten your skin, give your skin a resilience to the pollution, the stress, the strain, so that your skin is going to look fresh, glowing, and of course it's going to remove all the antioxidants, because as we all know that the antioxidants are those that cause a lot of problems. It's also excellent for pigmentation. And now what is it? It is a four-step facial. And in that, what we have is, we have a bowl, which you take your sting out. We have, to take out the mask. So we have a mask in there. So you can take it out from this, put it in the bowl. And then we have a serum, okay, advanced serum that we put into this. And also apart from that, we have a concentrate Serum Activator Lotion, which really you apply on your skin beforehand. So you just have to cleanse the skin, massage with the activator lotion, and after that you can use the mask with the serum. And then of course, after you keep the mask on for about 15 minutes, remove it and use those remaining ingredients that are there to massage your skin. And this is going to give you a wonderful facial. Apart from doing it manually, you can also use your Hydra machine with this Hydra facial machine, which is also going to give you a fantastic look, feel, and of course it's going to last a long time. This is something that I highly recommend, and I know you all are going to love it, and your clients are going to really feel very happy and move out of your salon, or when they leave from your salon, they're going to have this glowing, bright and radiant skin.
Harmonization. Apply 1 to 2 drops of essential oil on the palms of the client and have them rub the palms together. Ask the clients to then inhale and exhale. Cleanser. Follow up with a Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Dewberry Cleanser, or a cleanser according to your client's skin type. Exfoliate the skin with Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Coffee Bean Scrub. Leave it on the face for 10 minutes. And gently, with wet fingers, use circular motions to exfoliate. Clean the face thoroughly. Exfoliate the skin using the Hydra machine with an AHA solution for 2 to 3 minutes and proceed to clean the face. Step 1. On clean face, apply 5 ml of Serum Activator Lotion all over the face and neck in a tapping movement. Step 2. Place a candy mask in the bowl and pour 1 ampule of Hydra Pro Plus serum over it. Pick it out with a tongue and gently place the mask on the face, adjusting the openings. Step 3. Leave on for 15 minutes and remove the mask. Step 4. Avoid wiping. Massage your face and neck with the leftover product. Step 5. Apply Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Sunlight Spray.